In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix access is denied error in Windows. Let's get started. First, right-click on the drive and select Properties. Go to the Security tab, then click on Advanced. At the top, you'll see an option labeled Owner. Click Change. Now, click Object Types and make sure only Users is selected. Click OK. Next, click Advanced, then Find Now and choose your current Windows username. In this example, my username is Riz. Now you should see your username listed as owner. Now back in the advanced security settings, click Add. Then click Select your principal. Again, click Object Types, choose Users and go to Advanced, Find Now. Choose a username again and click OK. Now you will see a set of permissions. Tick the box for full control, then click OK. You should now see your username with full control access. Click Apply, confirm with Yes and close all the windows by clicking OK. That's it. You should now be able to open the drive without the access is denied error. Your data will be safe. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.